How to create an audience on MailChimp. Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create an audience on MailChimp. So let's get started. First of all, open MailChimp and here at the left side, you're going to click on audience dashboard and you'll be redirected to somewhere like this. So you can just, go on and check out your audience if you have already. So once you're here, what you can do is over here at the top right, you'll be able to see manage audience and then click on import contacts. So once you click on that, there'll be three options: import from another service, upload a file, or copy and paste. So first, let's do it with the first one. From here, you can upload from any of the services such as Zapier, Salesforce, Woo, QuickBooks, Squarespace, and Shopify. So you can select any of these. And after that, we have another option such as uploading a CVS file, and I hope it's the second option. Okay, so that is uploading a CSV file, or you can have a record of contacts and you can upload that. So let us just do that. So here you can either drag and drop and either click on select a file. So let me just go and select the file. Now this is the file that I need, so I've selected that, and then after that you got to click on continue. So once you click on continue, you'll be able to see something like this in front of you. So you're going to organize your contacts, you can select your current audience and then click on continue. Now you're going to tag your contacts. You can add some specific tags that will help you identify your contacts. So just add some tags and click on continue. You can also add some tags by your own choice, like typing them. Then we have, you can have a look at the columns. If you wish to, edit any column, you can click on this pencil icon and you can edit the column. And once you're good to go, just click on continue. Then you have subscribe contacts to marketing, whether you want them to be subscribe, unsubscribe, or, not subscribe and other stuff. So you can just select that. And after that, just click on finalize report. So once you click on that here, you'll have an overview of what choices you have made. So just click on complete report and you're good to go. Once you do that, you're going to click on view new contacts and you'll be able to view all of your new contacts in MailChimp. Now here you'll see your contacts. Let it load for a little bit. And now you'll be able to see your contacts over here. Now these are the contacts that my CSV file contained. So that was how you can create an audience in MailChimp. So if you found this story helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.